Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Deirdre V and thank you for clicking this video. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this twisted Bantu knot out and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so here I'm showing you what my natural hair looks like, dry, and it is dirty, and I'm about to wash it, but I just wanted to show you that I truly have 4C natural hair. It has a lot of shrinkage, so now I've washed my hair, and this is what my hair looks like with zero product on it, and completely clean. So just want to show you up close what my hair texture looks like. It is truly 4C African beautiful hair. So I'm going to do a deep conditioner. It's the Bantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Intensive Repair Deep Treatment Mask, and it is an amazing product. It smells so good and it's so thick and luxurious, and I just like to pat that into the tips of my hair first and then just rub it all over my hair and work it in really well. It really brings out my natural curl pattern and it weighs my hair down, gives it some weight, and yeah, so you can just kind of see a little bit my curl pattern coming through there with the conditioner on it. I just love Bantu products. And so now I'm going to put on a plastic cap so I can let that deep conditioner sit for at least 20 minutes. So I'm just tucking each and every hair into that plastic cap, and I'm actually going to sit under the dryer because I do have a hooded dryer that I've had for like 10 years, and so here I am scooting under that hooded dryer, and yeah, and I like to sit under there for at least 20 minutes and just really let the deep conditioner penetrate. So I have washed it out, and again, this is my clean hair. I'm going to use Blue Magic Coconut Oil hair conditioner to just seal in some moisture, and that's what it looks like. It's nice and thick, and I'm just going to do that the same way I did the deep conditioner. I'm just going to pat it into the tips of my hair and rub it in really well. And now I'm using Bantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream as my styling product and also as a leave-in conditioner. I do love Bantu's leave-in conditioner, but I just I ran out, so I'm just using this as leave-in conditioner and as my styling product. So I'm working that into my hair really well, patting it in and just rubbing it through. Now here we go. So we're starting our Bantu knots, and really I'm just separating my hair with this rat tail comb. I'm not going to do parts all the way through my hair with the comb. I'm just using the comb to just kind of separate and get a nice little chunk so that I can get started on my Bantu knots. So that's what I'm doing here, just separating, pulling that hair apart. And the first thing I like to do is put some styling product on each individual section of hair. So I have a little bit there, and I'm just going to smooth it in and really work it into especially the roots, not roots, but especially the tips of my hair, the ends of my hair, and all the way up to the root as well. So I'm just smoothing it in, and then I like to detangle my hair with the rat tail comb, and so each Bantu knot can be nice and smooth and wonderful. And so I'm combing from the ends all the way up to the roots of my hair. So each individual section, I like to comb it out like this instead of detangling my whole head at one time. I just detangle each individual section as I'm doing my Bantu knots. So now here I'm just going to two-strand twist my hair. So I like to twist it before I do my Bantu knots, and that I feel like this gives a lot more definition after you taking your Bantu knots down, and it helps with the frizz and the tension on the hair from just twisting. If I were just twisting, like twirling the hair around instead of twisting it first, there'll be a lot of tension. I'll just have to hold it still. Not hold it still, but you know what I mean. Anyway, so when I get to the ends, instead of twisting it all the way down to the tips, I just twirl, 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 twirl. And now I'm going to begin to make a Bantu knot. I don't use that tension method where you just squeeze it until it starts to turn into a knot. I just like to create a little loop and then begin wrapping. And that way my Bantu knots are not tight. And I just continue to wrap and put each wrap underneath, so that that little loop I made at first is at the top, and then as you can see, the colored part of my hair, which is the tips of my hair, is at the base of that Bantu knot. And that is one Bantu knot completed. Now we're speeding up here, and I'm just gonna do 2 more for you to see. And I just wanted to kind of speed it up so you can just kind of see the process. Again, I'm using the Bantu Shea Butter Curl Activating Cream. Look at how long my hair is. And then I'm just going to detangle. And this is the texture of my hair. And so this is up close, personal, 4C hair. This is the texture. That's what it looks like in the front of my hair. I actually have a variety of different textures in my hair, but anyway. So I am twisting, and we are going fast now. Twisting, twisting, twisting. And just gently creating that loop and then twisting around it. And this allows me to be able to sleep well because it's not tight at all. And so I'm so excited for how this is going to turn out, because right now I don't know what the finished results look like yet, because I am recording this voiceover at night before I'm actually taking my hair down. I'm going to take my hair down tomorrow morning, and so we will see how it turns out. I'm sure it will be beautiful. So there are 3 beautiful Bantu knots, and I just wanted to show you my process. And now when I snap my fingers, my entire head will be completed magically. That's the magic of the video. So here we go. Snap, snap, and it's done. That looks so beautiful. Like, if I had the confidence to wear this, I would really just wear it out like this. But I'm just showing you some close-ups of what my hair looks like after it is completely Bantu knotted all over. And this is the back. Yeah, and I like to do smaller sections. I've seen girls do videos where they have like long hair and they do these big sections. They have like 6 Bantu knots on their whole head. That's not me. Okay, I have fine hair, but it's also thick at the same time. Like, it's weird. So now I'm putting on my satin bonnet, and I am going to sleep in this satin bonnet comfortably, and my hair is protected, and we will see the results in just a moment. Yay, I cannot wait. Y'all, look, 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 look. So here it is. This is how it turned out. I did not get a chance to show you how I took it down because I was rushing, getting ready for church Sunday morning, so I didn't have time to film how I actually took my Bantu knots out. But these are the results up close, and you can see it has pretty good definition. It's very shrunken and short, but I like that look. And so here, what I did is just kind of lifted the roots a little bit to get rid of the parts. And a lot of people like to bobby pin their hair back or whatever. I just didn't really do much with it, kind of just played with it, and you can see there's the back. And so yeah, I think it turned out well, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will try this style. Basically it's just a fluffy afro, fluffy curly afro, and I'm probably just gonna put a headband on it and wear it for a couple of days, and I think it turned out cute. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.